7 दीस जाले हांव तृणमूल काँग्रेस जॉईन जाला आनी पयलीं तरी कॉम्प्लिमेंट्स ऑफ द सीझन सगळे आमच्या लोकांक आनी आज आमी एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दवरला जायत लोकांनी म्हाका येवन सांगिल्लें बाबा आमी तुका सपोर्ट आहा आमी तुमकां हें कोताय आमी तुका सपोर्ट कोताय आमी तुका हेल्प कोताय म्हणून सो तेका लागून आज थोड्या लोकांक आपयलें आज आमगे सपोर्ट दाखोवपाक आनी आज आमी जेन्ना इतले लोक येयले आमकां सपोर्ट करपाक आमी आमगे विशीस तृणमूल काँग्रेस आमी कित्याक जॉईन जाले कित्याक आमगे लोकां लागून आमी हें डिसिजन घेतलें खंय तरी आमकां दिसलें आनी कॉन्फिडंट आहाय आमी की आमी बरे पोझिशनाच आमगे लोकां वतले आमगे लोक आमकां जाय तेंगे जायत ज्वलंत प्रश्न आहाय तेंगेले तेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तेंगेली कामां आहाय फॉर एग्जाम्पल तेंगेले जायत पुलीस स्टेशन आहा तेंगेले प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आहा आमगे लोकांगे गार्बेज प्रॉब्लम आहा सो हे सगळे इश्यू सॉल्व करपाक हे इश्यू जे बीजेपीन गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां आजून देखून सॉल्व केला 10 वर्सां जालीं आनी आमी पार्टी जॉईन जाले जी पार्टी एगेन्स्ट द बीजेपी म्हणजे केसीन आमी बीजेपी कडेन कसलेच आमकां रिलेशनशीप ना आनी तेच भाशेन आमी ही पार्टी जॉईन जायन बीजेपीक टक्कर मारपाक ही कॅपॅसिटी आहा बीजेपी जर तर आमी आज उडयतले जाल्यार आमी हे पार्टीक रावन तेगे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तेगे सगळे काम जे पर्यंत आज पर्यंत तेंको आहा ते जायत पार्टीको ना थोड्या टायमा भितर तेणी कितू सिग्निफिकंट मूव केले हे मूव आमी लोकां पर्यंत व्हरपाचे आनी आमगे लोकांक पावरान हाडपाक आमगे लोकांक पावर दिवपाक आमगे लोकांक तेंगे ज्वलंत तेंगे प्रश्न सेटल करपाक प्लस हे जॉब्सांचेर आज आमगे जायत भुरग्यांक जॉब्स नाय गव्हर्मेंट जॉब्सय आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मेळनाय जायत कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तेंगे जॉब मेळटात सिलेक्टेड कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जॉब मेळटाय आमकां जॉब मेळना आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमी कितें केलां
And now to request them to vote for the TMC.
I am confident that I will go back to my people and I will explain to them. And I am confident they will stay with me. They have seen my work for the last 3 terms. Irrespective of how much support I got from the party, I have stood by the people. It's time when I explain to my people and I have full confidence and faith that my people will stay with me.
On your birthday, when you were asked whether you are going to join BJP in presence of Sawant, who came here specially with Michael Lobo, you said anything is possible. And then again you were asked whether you want to be deputy CM in BJP government. You said yes, deputy CM. Those are your words. Now, how would you explain that?
If you go back at that stage, I was targeted, I would join the BJP. By my own people. How much of faith they had in me. Who was the person who projected candidates on me? When I was in the same party, my own party leaders projected candidates on me. It was very clear. A cake was given to a BJP candidate on his birthday, who is now a BJP candidate. Who promoted him? All these reasons, if you go back at how I was treated in the Congress party, and if they are going to talk against me, when I was in the party, when I was an MLA in the party, Girish went and gave cake. When I was an MLA of the party, when I was sitting MLA, my ticket was delayed. 6 months I'm waiting for formalities to start of the election process. I said, every time I said, let's join together, let's start, let's unify and fight. Was it happening?
What went wrong after that?
I
birthday?
answered many questions.
You were with Priyanka Gandhi, moving along with her right from Dabhol airport to Aswalna. 10 days later, you switched sides. What made you that in a 10 days?
I have explained. I said that there was no even intent to fight the BJP. Nothing was happening on the ground. There was more traction, as the opposition, were we fighting the BJP? Were there statements
Did you
from
communicate?
the opposition
did
leader?
You, did you communicate
From
to your
the
leaders?
opposition leader, I am always fighting. I am always telling them. Even the MGP, I said, let us form an alliance with the MGP. Let us do something. Let us see the fight. The moment MGP goes and joins the BJP, it is a clear-cut, cut-out victory for the BJP. Now, who stopped the MGP from going there? It is the TMC, not the Congress party. So, if that had gone first only, without this, see now, let's see the rise in the party. See the intent to fight the BJP.
But the Congress leader said that they had met most of your demand. After your birthday
And
here.
if our demand is Congress should first have a strong.
Given them a chance. They've done nothing. You saw on the 25th of December, there are so many Christians in Goa. More than 20% of Goa is made up of Christians. And let me tell you, on the 25th of December, on Christmas Day, what did this BJP do? You saw in Gurgaon, children's Christmas carnival is being stopped. You saw in Karnataka that boys from the youth wings of the BJP are going into churches, disturbing them, breaking windows. They are going in and they are telling normal people from the community, why are you attending Christmas party? You saw they stopped the FCRA registration of the Missionaries of Charity, which helps the poor and the destitute. We are from Calcutta, where the Missionaries of Charity are closely associated with all of us. They don't just help Christians, they've helped the poor and the destitute. So how is it that you feel very happy and the BJP feels happy when Mother Teresa wins a Nobel Prize, and then we're all Indians, and then we shut down the very institution that she has worked for and created her whole life? So these are questions we must ask, and that every single person must ask. The time has come to fight the fight. We have entered only 3 months ago, but we have launched the scheme Griha Lakshmi, like in Bengal, which has got 1.5 lakh families registered under the scheme in less than a month. 1.5 lakh families. And that's, nobody stopped the BJP from creating schemes like that. Who stopped them? Everywhere I go, I have been traversing the state of Goa. Everywhere I go, people tell me all BJP is doing is grabbing land. In every panchayat, comunidad land they are grabbing. Every panchayat, they are fudging details. You see in old Goa where they've done the same thing. You see the 3 linear projects. Everywhere you do, you see the Kala Academy tender. Apart from corruption, their own MLAs. You see the Panjim MLA. He's come out against his own party and said that there's a recruitment scam. So when there are your own MLAs bringing down the government, then it's very clear that this is a government that is not going to win majority this time. This is a government where we need to bring them down. Reginaldo has done absolutely the right thing. He's dedicated himself to the future of Goa. That is why I am here. That is why Sushmita is here. That is why Mamta Didi is here. Not to take over Goa, but to give Goans a platform and to give Goans a symbol on which to stand and fight and defeat the BJP. To bring in good governance, to bring in the very schemes that we have got in Bengal. There are at least 10 good schemes in Bengal that have voted us back to power.
Given Reginaldo, not to the TMC, but to the future of Goa. This is the way forward, and I applaud him for his courage, for having joined the right path and the right movement. Because today the fight is not just for the people of Kurtori, the fight is for the people of India. And this is a fight that is not just a political fight. I think it's a moral fight, it's a cultural fight, it's actually even a spiritual fight, where we are fighting against forces that are destroying this land everywhere we go. And people have to take a step back and see what people's decisions are in that perspective. Why is the Trinamool in Goa, and why is Reginaldo come to us? These are questions that you must be asking, that you've asked. That Reginaldo has answered from the heart very passionately a couple of days ago, and there's really nothing more to say about his decision after what he's spoken. But if you see the BJP and what they've done to the fabric of India the last 5 years, apart from that, if you see what they've done in Goa and to the development of Goa, the people of Goa, and we've repeated this many times, did not want the BJP. They did not vote for the BJP. The BJP got only 13 seats. But the party which had won 17 seats were not interested in forming a government. They, as the single largest party, did not go to the governor and say that we stake a claim. Reginaldo belonged to a party that started off with 17 MLAs, but ended up with only 3 MLAs in the house. Not for any fault of his. He did the right thing. He was loyal.
He stayed the course. But he couldn't do work, and now again after 5 years, there is a fight against the BJP, and again he was on a platform where they did not know where the fight is against. Are you going to fight within the party, or are you going to fight the BJP? So I think he has taken the right decision at the right time. It takes a lot for someone when you're announced as the candidate of a party, your name has come out in a list, to leave and then to go. And I think that is courage, and the reason he's done that is the reason why I also have left that party. Sushmita has also left. And the reason is not that we have anything big or hate against the party or anything like that. It's when you are fighting divisive forces, we need a 1:1 strong fight. BJP versus us. And that's the fight that we need to fight. The other parties are unable to fight the good fight.
You believe me. I will tell Reginaldo that you invite some of the journalists of Goa, we invite you to Bengal. Please come to Bengal and see what Mamata Banerjee as the Chief Minister has done. This Griha Lakshmi scheme, today how many governments have recognized the contribution of a woman as a primary caretaker of her home? She works from 6 in the morning till 10 at night. It is not about giving a woman 5,000 rupees, but it is the fact that Mamata Banerjee, as a woman leader herself, believes in giving respect to the women who toil 8 to 12 hours a day as a primary caretaker of her family, and that's what we want to give to the women of Goa. I am absolutely confident that Goa is ready for that change. I am absolutely confident that Trinamool Congress is ready for the fight, we assure you, and we welcome Reginaldo, his supporters, everybody who joined with him, and we are going to ask many more people to join, because Mahatma Gandhi says, be the change that you want to see in the world. So be the part of the change that you want to see in Goa, and Mamata Banerjee as a leader is only here to facilitate it, and we guarantee you, we are not a Jumla party. Bharatiya Janata Party is a party of lies. That's why they have to make Hindus fight against Christians, Christians fight against Hindus, Hindus fight against Muslims. BJP has to ultimately polarize every election because they do not fulfill their promises. Mamata Banerjee does not have to polarize. She does not have to talk for one community. You see the demography of West Bengal. West Bengal has Bengali people. West Bengal has people from Bihar, UP, Gujarat. There are the Gorkhas. And Mamata Banerjee has represented them equally, and we promise that for the people of Goa. Thank you very much. I thank my friends in the media. Today is my first interaction. And I hope that you will help us through, because media is extremely important in any election or any political activity. I seek your support and thank you for your patience. Extremely happy that a mass leader like Reginaldo has joined All India Trinamool Congress. We both served the Congress party for very long, and I believe that giving him the recent appointment in INC, I think it was working president, came as an afterthought. Why did it come as an afterthought, I can tell you, is because the feedback from the people of Goa was that as a leader he was neglected. The community he comes from was underrepresented in the Indian National Congress, and it came as a last minute thought. For a leader who's a 3 times MLA chosen repeatedly by his people, I welcome him to All India Trinamool Congress, and I am confident that under his leadership, the kind of vision he has, the kind of passion and commitment he has for the people, I have absolutely no doubt that he will become stronger, and All India Trinamool Congress will also become stronger in Goa. And I want to tell him and his supporters, because I think a MP who's elected or an MLA who's elected, I have also fought Lok Sabha. Mahuaji is from Lok Sabha seat. He's a 3 times MLA. His strength is his people. Today his strength is his people, and we want to assure him and assure his supporters and voters that the fight that Reginaldo believes in ideologically against a fascist communal party like the Bharatiya Janata Party. We stand together in that fight, and in the entire nation, it is not just about Goa, it's not just about Bengal, it's not just about Assam. In the entire nation, it is one leader who's repeated the BJP consistently election after election. It is Mamata Banerjee, who is the Chief Minister of Bengal. And that is one single reason that All India Trinamool Congress has come to Goa. We have not come here to do any mining. We have not come here to do any illegal construction like the BJP and other parties are doing. We have not come here to do communal politics. We have come here to do a politics of good governance. Question